I'm at Noe Valley Bakery in San Francisco, and this is Mike, and we are baking today. Okay, Mike, so it's all about the pride cake.
Yeah, June's Pride Month, so we're going to assemble our pride cake.
So how long have you been making this?
Almost 25 years that we've been open.
Excellent. Okay, so what's it made of?
So this is our vanilla sponge cake, and we use a vegetable-based color to get those nice and bright colors.
It's so beautiful in the colors. Okay, so show me how to do this.
So let's take some of our filling there, just a couple scoops there.
Okay.
Drop it right inside there.
More?
Yep, one more.
One more. 2 scoops.
Yeah. Generous filling. Okay, now take your spatula there. And then just try to spread that out even as possible. There you go.
I'm doing all the work here, Mike.
No, it's okay.
So what kind of whipped cream is this?
This is just a vanilla buttercream filling.
Buttercream.
Yeah.
Buttercream.
Yeah.
Get it all evenly in there?
Nice and even all around the edges. There you go. Very natural.
Okay, and then what's next?
Yeah. So then do this one next, and then we'll stack them on top. So you need another 2 scoops. Yeah. Maybe you want a little bit smaller than that. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Uh-oh.
That's all right.
Extras.
Yeah. We'll catch up.
So what are some of your tips in decorating?
So just nice, smooth movement, right?
Yeah.
And have fun.
And have
Yeah.
Well, have fun for sure.
Relax.
And relax.
There's no pressure.
How many of these cakes do you make?
Gosh, we'll make probably 300-400 this month.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. We out from every day.
That's a lot of pride cake.
Shops. Yeah, we have a lot of pride here.
Love it.
And you can get online on our website as well. So we stack that. Now we do the next ones, and then we'll stack those.
Okay, good.
And then we'll even it out a little bit as we go.
And then let you do that now. So you can
Okay.
do some work too.
All right.
Just for time's sake.
Just
You're like, what's the
get around showing you what to do.
nice, like stack them like that.
There we go. We'll move that down. Thank you.
So you make them in different sizes too, I noticed.
I do. We make them from a 6-inch all the way to a full sheet. We have a bunch of corporate clients that get them for big staff parties, their pride celebrations. That's what yeah, give me another one.
It's like, give me some more.
There we go.
I noticed that soul and wrist there, huh?
It is. You kind of. There we go.
Can I stack that one?
Yeah, yeah. Put it right
What
on
do you
there.
do?
Nice and, yeah. Watch the middle.
Watch the middle.
Cradle that in there.
We're making pride cake
Right
here.
on top there, nice and gentle. Right? Well done. Well done.
Not
Now
bad.
we'll even it out a little bit as we go. Okay,
Okay.
last 2.
Last 2. Scoop.
Yeah, give me 2.
Get 2. There.
All right.
Don't be stingy. This is delicious.
Okay.
More.
Here we go.
Down in there.
Last one.
Go. So basically you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers of cake here.
Yeah.
What's next?
We have a. Even push everything up to the edge.
Oh, see, that's how you're supposed to do it.
Now this is a little bit tricky on the side. This is really bad. I watch this. Put it on the side.
Ah.
Can you do that?
Yes, sure. Let me
Just
try
kinda
that.
Push that on there, and then we'll put a lot on, and then we'll comb it off. So don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy with that.
You know what? I am a lot better at eating cake than I am at. You want this to look good, Mike? You should be doing this.
I know you're fine.
It's such a beautiful cake. I love all the colors.
It's quite a surprise when you cut it open.
Right? Look at this. Let them eat cake. Okay, I'll have you do the rest.
All right, here we
Not
go.
that I'm getting lazy or anything. Just a little fast forward motion anyway. So once again, some decorating tips on frosting the cake here. What do you do?
Well, don't be shy about using a bunch of frosting to kind of load it on the side.
Yes.
To cover up.
Right.
Because we're gonna take that off. I'll show you how to do that.
Okay.
And it'll stick on there. You just don't want to.
That looks so nice.
And we're not going to waste it. And did I tell you we have to eat whatever's left over?
We have to eat whatever's left over out of this. Oh, so we eat whatever we don't. We get to eat whatever we don't use.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
We'll give you a spoon. Alright, so this big cakes are a little challenging.
That's okay. It looks good. It looks great. Hopefully, if you're lucky enough, it'll look right. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh, okay. It's on for TV anyway, so.
Yep. Okay. And then we take our comb. And comb the side.
What are you doing right now?
I'm smoothing out the sides of the buttercream to make it nice and smooth.
Oh, look at how beautiful that is.
Well done.
Oh my gosh. Can I just hold that?
Yeah.
Why don't I just
You need the whole side?
gotta take a bite. Mike at Noe Valley Bakery in San Francisco. Pride cake for Pride Month. And what does it say on your t-shirt? All for love, cake for all. I'm gonna take a bite. Thank you so much. Are you
You're
gonna have
welcome. I'll have a little bit.
any? Okay.
I
An
might
hour
use
later.
I might use a fork. No.
Thank you. Oh, heaven.
Good.
Oh my gosh. You did a great job.
Thanks.
Thank you. Look how pretty.